Scientists confirmed this is the world's #1 food against heart attack, hypertension, stroke, and cholesterol. Dates are the fruit of the date palm tree, which is grown in many tropical regions of the world. Dates have become quite popular in recent years. Almost all dates sold in Western countries are dried. You can tell whether or not dates are dried based on their appearance. A wrinkled skin indicates they are dried, whereas a smooth skin indicates freshness. Depending on the variety, fresh dates are fairly small in size and range in color from bright red to bright yellow. Medjool and Bigletnor or dates are the most commonly consumed varieties. Dates are chewy with a sweet flavor. They are also high in some important nutrients and have a variety of advantages and uses. This video will discuss 8 health benefits of eating dates and how to incorporate them into your diet. 1. Very nutritious. Dates have an excellent nutrition profile. Dates contain several vitamins and minerals, in addition to fiber and antioxidants. However, they are high in calories since they are a dried fruit. 2. High in fiber. Getting enough fiber is important for your overall health. Dates are high in fiber, which may be beneficial for preventing constipation and controlling blood sugar control. 3. High in disease-fighting antioxidants. Dates provide various antioxidants that have a number of health benefits to offer, including a reduced risk of several diseases. Dates contain several types of antioxidants that may help prevent the development of certain chronic illnesses, such as heart disease, cancer, Alzheimer's and diabetes. 4. May promote brain health. Eating dates may help improve brain function. Dates may be helpful for lowering inflammation and preventing plaques from forming in the brain, which is important for preventing Alzheimer's disease. 5. May promote natural labor. Dates have been studied for their potential to promote and ease late-term labor in pregnant women. Dates may promote and ease natural labor for pregnant women when consumed during the last few weeks of pregnancy. 6. Excellent natural sweetener. Dates are a source of fructose, which is a natural type of sugar found in fruit. Dates are a healthy substitute for white sugar in recipes due to their sweet taste, nutrients, fiber and antioxidants. 7. Other potential health benefits. Dates have been claimed to have a few other health benefits that have not yet been extensively studied. Bone health. Dates contain several minerals, including phosphorus, potassium, calcium and magnesium. All of these have been studied for their potential to prevent bone-related conditions like osteoporosis. Blood sugar control. Dates have the potential to help with blood sugar regulation due to their low glycemic index, fiber and antioxidants. Thus, eating them may benefit diabetes management. Although these potential health benefits are promising, more human studies are needed before conclusions can be made. 8. Easy to add to your diet. Dates are incredibly versatile and make a delicious snack. They are often paired with other foods, such as almonds, nut butter or soft cheese. Dates are also very sticky, which makes them useful as a binder in baked goods, such as cookies and bars. You can also combine dates with nuts and seeds to make healthy snack bars or energy balls, as in this recipe. What's more, you can use dates to sweeten up sauces, such as salad dressings and marinades, or blend them into smoothies and oatmeal. It is important to note that dates are high in calories and their sweet taste makes them easy to overeat. For this reason, they are best consumed in moderation.